Morning, folks. Kevin here. Well, it's September 3rd, 2024. It looks like it's set up for a beautiful day today. Not too hot, not too cold. A nice day to get some things done over here in the work yard. Yesterday, I went over to the new property and got a few loads of logs from over there. And so one of the things I want to try and do today is get these somewhat organized and up off the ground and stage like these ones are. One of my thoughts are, one of the first things I'll probably do is come along here, use the chainsaw and zip off all of the small pieces here, things that don't need to be split, and get those put into one of the baskets. Once I zip them off, we'll see if I'll be able to pick them up off the ground with my back and all. But I'll zip a few of these ends off around here just to shorten them up some and see if I can get some of these things stacked up here as well. Took the grapple off Mini Me, put the small forks on it today. I'll be using the Green Machine, the Avant 860i to go ahead and stage these. I do have Elon over there if I need to push them back and all, bit by bit. So we'll see how things go, bit by bit.
The air is crisp, sweatshirt on tight, chainsaw in hand, ready for the fight. Colorful leaves still cling to the trees as they start to fall with the autumn breeze. Stacking logs in the cool fall air, cutting firewood with leaves everywhere. With every roar, every timbered sound, I'm building warmth as they drift to the ground. Sawdust flies as the chainsaw hums, dead ash, maple, cherry, one by one. Logs pile high, apple mixed in, preparing for the winter's chilly grin. Stacking logs in the cool fall air, cutting firewood with leaves everywhere. With every roar, every timbered sound, I'm building warmth as they drift to the ground. Here comes the Green Machine, ready to roll. With the tree grabber strong, it's time to take control. Lifting those logs, stacking them high for next season's wood under the autumn sky. Logs lined up, ready to cure for next year's fire. The warmth is sure. The Green Machine hums, doing its part, preparing for winter with a steady heart. Stacking logs in the cool fall air, cutting firewood with leaves everywhere. With every roar, every timbered sound, I'm building warmth as they drift to the ground. The woods are alive with a splash of hues, reds, yellows, oranges, a painter's muse. No pine scent, the autumn breeze, just hardwoods falling from the sturdy trees. The day rolls on, but there's more to do, cutting and stacking till the sky turns blue. Winter's near, but I'll be ready, with a fire that burns bright, glowing steady. Stacking logs in the cool fall air, cutting firewood with leaves everywhere. With every roar, every timbered sound, I'm building warmth as they drift to the ground. In the heart of fall, I find my peace, working in the woodlot never cease. Through the sweat and toil, it's understood, I'm cutting firewood, stacking up the wood. Out on the farm, where the work never ends, we've got a trusty friend on whom we depend. It's the Green Machine, our Avon 862i. With the cab and all the features, it's our workhorse in the sky. Oh, we love the Green Machine, it's our pride and joy. From lifting to digging, it's the real McCoy. With power and precision, it gets the job done. In the fields, on the farm, it's our number one. In the forest, with the tree grabber, it's handling logs with ease, making my life much simpler, bringing peace to the trees. The hydraulic forks are great, adjustable in every way. With the Green Machine, it's a breeze every day. Oh, we love the Green Machine, it's our pride and joy. From lifting to digging, it's the real McCoy. With power and precision, it gets the job done. In the fields, on the farm, it's our number one. The extender boom is so handy, reaching high and far. How did I ever manage without this shining star? With the joystick in hand, we're in full control. Every task, every job, it's making us whole. Oh, we love the Green Machine, it's our pride and joy. From lifting to digging, it's the real McCoy. With power and precision, it gets the job done. In the fields, on the farm, it's our number one. So here's to the Green Machine, our Avon 862i. With all its might and power, it's reaching for the sky. In every season, in every field, it's the best we've seen. We couldn't do without it, our beloved Green Machine. We're moving earth with heavy hands, shaping the land, creating plans. With every scoop and every turn, a new landscape begins to burn. Earthworks, earthworks, carving the land, building features where we stand. Ponds and swalls, canals that flow, creating life where nothing grows. We dig the ponds, we shape the hills, harnessing nature using our skills. Swallows to catch the rain that falls, a thriving habitat that calls. Earthworks, earthworks, carving the land, building features where we stand. Ponds and swalls, canals that flow, creating life where nothing grows. Canals that stretch and bend with grace, bringing water to every place. Wildlife finds a home anew in the landscapes that we grew. Earthworks. With every trench, with every grade, a fertile ground is gently laid. We're sculpting life, we're shaping dreams, in the soil, in the streams. Earthworks, earthworks, carving the land, building features where we stand. Ponds and swalls, canals that flow, creating life where nothing grows. From barren ground to fertile soil, we work the land with sweat and toil. Earthworks sing, the landscape hums, a masterpiece in nature's drums. harnessing nature using our skills. Swallows to catch the rain that falls, a thriving habitat that calls. We dig the ponds, we shape the hills, harnessing nature using our skills. Swallows to catch the rain that falls, a thriving habitat that calls. Earthworks carving the land, building features where we stand. Ponds and swallows, canals that flow, creating life where nothing grows.
Well, I was able to get the material that I brought over here from the new property and stacked over here yesterday. That's up on this pile now. Not the neatest pile, but it should keep it from being in contact with the ground. And so that's pretty good. As I take logs in the future, I'll try and straighten them out and not just pile them up like I piled up over here. So I just started taking some of the logs out of here and trying to sort them out and figuring out which ones have got to turn to soil. These are a little bit too punky to wait another year or two for seasoned firewood. Oh, and I was able to get about half of a basket of some of the ends over there. So there's a significant chance that these are good timber over here, good logs over here. I'll go through them. Probably 1/3 of them will end up going to soil. Those are all going to go to soil. I've got some good ones in here. Probably 50% of these will go to soil and 50% will go to firewood. It's just, you know, leaving them in contact with the ground, leaving them here for 3 years, just isn't the best situation. We just don't burn that much wood. And I really not set up to be able to deliver firewood for people at this point. So I'll maybe tomorrow I'll work on this if things are going pretty well. Try to decide which ones are going to soil, which ones are going over there and get stacked, and then I have to cut up some more firewood. Not for this coming winter, but for the winter after. Get them in baskets, get them covered and all. Plumb tuckered out today. My body's still very, very sore. But we are making some headway. Pretty happy with that. That green machine, I'll tell you, that really makes the work much easier. And certainly having Elon being able to push back the pile, that gets them up there pretty high. But when I'm grabbing a group, it's hard to, especially if they're kind of curly, some of the logs. It's a challenge to get them to get a nice even stack, but pretty happy with what I've got so far. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you were entertained. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.